you are selling a transformation. So you're not charging people for a specific amount of time that they're going to spend with you. You're really charging for a transformation that they want to achieve. And this kind of builds back on what we talked about in week one when we were building your offer. And so the pricing kind of has to match with it. And so when people are buying a coaching call from you, they're not just buying that specific call, they're buying the ability to move from the place that they are now to where they want to be. It kind of brings back the idea of that bridge that we mentioned. And so that in itself doesn't determine your pricing, but it does kind of change the idea around pricing. So you don't necessarily have to price just on the amount of time that you spend with someone, but with the value of the result. So if you're able to achieve something in less time than with more time, that doesn't make that smaller amount of time less valuable than that bigger amount of time, you know? It means it's actually more valuable